That sounds so mean, though.
Hey, what's going on? My name's Garrett and welcome to a DNA Drives video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a really cool and unique car that I was given the opportunity to drive over this past weekend. This car is very cool, unique, very rare. You never see these cars. This was the first time, maybe the second, but maybe it was the first. I don't even know. It was, okay, say the first. It was the first time I ever saw one of these, and it was the first time I ever drove in one. I had such a blast, man. I want one of these cars. But anyways, what I drove, it was a 1991 Honda Beat, and I believe it had 14,000 miles on it. Shout out to my friend who let me drive his car. Big thanks to him. So a little bit more information about this particular Honda Beat. This Honda Beat was in a crash. It got hit in the rear. The car runs and drives. It goes a little bit crooked down the road, but it's pretty straight. It's a cool car to drive. Let me stop talking. Let me show you videos and pics I got of it. And then afterwards, stay tuned for the POV drive. I'll put that at the end of the video. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks so much, and here it is.